Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota Rav4 LE with available all-wheel drive. The stylish front grille of the Rav4 is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the automatic high beams integrated into the LED headlights with auto delay on-off feature, plus the LED daytime running lights designed to maximize visibility in all conditions. The body-colored door handles integrate Toyota's remote keyless entry system with lock, unlock, panic functions, and remote illuminated entry. The Rav4's rear tailgate allows for ease of use, and the LED tail lights give the fastest braking notification possible. The color-keyed side mirrors incorporate blind spot monitor indicators and include rear cross traffic alert. This, along with lane-keeping technology in Toyota's Safety Sense, ensures the Rav4 will give you layers of safety features. The 60/40 split rear seat reclines and folds flat to maximize cargo flexibility and passenger comfort. Additional rear seating options are also available. The driver's area includes a 4.2-inch digital multi-information display, a 7-inch Toyota infotainment screen, and backup camera with projected path. The Rav4 also comes with available in-cabin Wi-Fi. The tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. This Rav4 LE comes with a 6-way adjustable front driver's seat and 4-way adjustable front passenger seat. The Rav4 LE is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission including Eco, Normal, or Sport drive modes. These settings allow you to personalize your driving experience to maximize fuel economy, as well as maximize the vehicle's available all-wheel drive capabilities. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and Roadside Assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So find something for everyone in the new 2021 Toyota Rav4 LE. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.